Once welcome back to MME means Make Math Easy. Today I will take continue limit chapter from 11th, and from this chapter I will take topic limit of algebraic functions, which are very different to general functions. Therefore first question is that find the limit root x plus 2 minus root 2 upon x tends to 0. If put x equal to 0 in numerator, there will be root 2 and minus root 2, 0, and here also 0. Therefore it is in the form of 0 by 0. Therefore cannot find the limit, means limit does not exist. Therefore after rationalizing it, we can find the limit of these functions. Therefore limit x tends to 0, it will be x plus root 2 minus root 2. Further rationalize, we multiply root x plus 2 plus root 2, and there will be x into root x plus 2 plus root 2. Therefore limit x tends to 0. It is the form of a minus b, a plus b. Therefore we write as x plus 2 square minus root 2 square, and there will be root 2. Therefore it will be x tends to 0. There will be x plus 2 and minus 2. Therefore this and this cancel. Therefore limit x tends to 0, x by x root x plus 2 plus root 2, and x cancel. Therefore it will be limit x tends to 0, 1 by root x plus 2 minus root 2. If x tends to 0, directly put here, there will be 1 by 0 plus root 2. There will be plus 2. Therefore 1 upon root 2 plus root 2. Therefore it will be 1 upon 2 root 2. It is your answer. And after that we can take continue the next question, and next question is that limit of root a plus x minus root a by x under root a into a plus x. If x tends to 0, direct put here, denominator and numerator both are 0. Therefore this is the form of 0 by 0. Thus limit does not exist. After that it simplifies by the rationalization. Therefore we have limit x tends to 0. Further rationalize, root a plus x minus root a multiply by root a plus x plus root a. There will be root a plus x minus root a. Both numerator and denominator multiply by a plus x plus root a, and there will be x root a plus x and multiply by root a plus x plus root a. After simplify, numerator will be a minus b, a plus b form. Therefore it will be limit x tends to 0, a plus x minus a, and there will be x root a into a plus x, and there will be a plus x plus root a. A and a cancel. Therefore it will be x by this form. Therefore x and x also cancel. Therefore limit will be x tends to 0, 1 upon root a into a plus x and into root a plus x plus root a. If put x tends to 0 here, we can find the limit of this function. Therefore, put here 0, it will be root a into a, and here will be root a plus root a. After simplify, it will be 1 upon a into a square, square root will be a, and there will be into 2 root a. Therefore, answer will be 1 upon 2a root a. This is your answer. After that, I will take the next question. Next question is, if x tends to n, put here, there will be numerator and denominator 0. Therefore, it is the form of 0 by 0, does not exist limit. Therefore, it will be solved by the rationalization formula, and after rationalizing this function, we can find the limit of that function. Therefore, we take limit x tends to 1 and root x square minus 1 plus root x minus 1, and it is the multiply by, here will be minus root x square minus 1 minus root x minus 1, and we write here root x square minus 1 into root x square minus 1 minus root x minus 1. After that, this is the form of a square minus b square. Therefore, we can write limit x tends to 1, x square minus 1 minus x minus 1, and denominator will be x square minus 1 multiply by this, it will be x square minus 1, this and this same, therefore this will be, and this multiply by this will be minus root x square minus 1 into root x minus 1. After simplify, this will be plus or minus cancel, and there will be limit x tends to 1, x square minus x, and there will be x square minus 1, and this factorized, there will be x minus 1 into x plus 1 into root x minus 1. Take common here x, there will be limit x tends to 1, x and x minus 1, there will be in the form of x minus 1, x plus 1, this and this same in the both, therefore it will be x plus 1 and x minus 1, and this multiply, it will be x minus 1, and there will be root x plus 1. Because this and this is the same and under root 4, therefore come out x minus 1 from the roots, and there will be same as it is. Take common x minus 1 in both, there will be limit x tends to 1, x and x minus 1 upon, there will be x minus 1 and divide it will be x plus 1, and here will be minus root x plus 1. This and this cancel. This is form of x by this. If substitute the value x tends to 1, here it will be 1 upon 1 plus 1 2 minus root 2. Therefore, 1 by, direct put the value x tends to 1, 2 minus root 2. If rationalize, it will be 2 plus root 2 by 4 minus 2, it will be 2 plus root 2 by 2. It is your answer. Therefore, limit of this function is 2 plus root 2 by 2. Hence, today's topic finished. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, and keep watching continue to get more and more solution of questions. Thank you for watching.